Happy Monday, 10th of June 2024 from Kyrkviksbadet in Nacka. This beautiful Jetty beach, very close to Sickla Shopping Center. It's amazing how many sun chairs there are, wooden chairs actually, for sunbathing, and also 5 different spots to get into the water. The only downside is the cars that are passing by, as there are 2 roads very close. They are not the motorway, but they are still very much trafficked by many people that live in Nacka and Värmdö as well. Beach day number 59 is today, and we have a bit of a chilly day, 12 degrees Celsius in the air, and there was some rain also earlier today, and it's going to be some more later, as I can see those clouds over there. But not this side, it looks sunny as well. The temperature in the water is 20 degrees Celsius, and this is Järlasjön. This is a smaller lake as such, so that's why it gets warmed up easily. And I'm all alone on this whole beach, this whole segment here. It's huge. There is also my bike, and it took me 9 kilometers to get here with my gravel Scott. So yeah, take another look at my bicycle. And yes, we continue the beach adventures. 10th of June is a very important date, well, especially for if you come from Macedonia, because when I was a child and teenager, it was the last day of school in Macedonia. So that's why I always reflect on this day when I was younger, way back. Now I'm old. So anyway, 10th of June, probably it's maybe end of school for many other countries. I don't know. Hit me in the comments when is the school ending in the other countries that you are watching from. Alright, so I'm gonna choose this one over here, as that is the one that I have measured already the temperature in, but it's nice indeed. Perfect for a quick swim on this Monday. I thought it would have been a lot more rainier today based on the forecast, but at least I saw even some sun as well. I managed to take a picture with the sun as well. But yeah, let's continue and take a nice swim here, because it is very warm in the water, 20 degrees Celsius. So ladies and gentlemen, let's enjoy this wonderful day with a swim. Amazing. Brilliant. If there weren't for the roads and the cars, this would have been a perfect spot, but it's a very big minus for the road. But anyway, it's still good that people that live in this area can take a swim here in this beautiful lake, as there are many other lakes as well throughout the whole Stockholm region. Beautiful. Alright, then I'm gonna be enjoying a bit, few more minutes of swim before I wrap up. But thanks so much for watching this episode from Kyrkviksbadet in Nacka and my swim here in this Järlasjön, the Järla Lake. So make sure to subscribe if not already, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.